In this video, we're going to show you how to set up and use the Garmin Messenger app on your compatible Garmin smartwatch. While the Garmin Messenger app was primarily used for inReach satellite communication products, it now has expanded use cases, allowing you to message from your watch without ever having to take your compatible smartphone out of your pack. The Garmin Messenger app on your compatible smartphone can also use cell services or Wi-Fi to send messages to your contacts. Before we get started, your watch will need to be paired to the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. It will automatically receive the latest software which supports this new feature. This process is covered in the Getting Started video for your Garmin smartwatch. On your watch, you can either add the app into the Activities and Apps list or a glance into your glance loop. For this video, we will show adding the Messenger glance. If the glance has not already been added, you will need to add it now. From the watch face, press the down button to scroll through the glances. Continue to scroll until you see Edit. Then press the Start/Stop button to select it. Scroll to the bottom of the list and select Add. Locate Messenger and select it. Press the back button twice to see the added glance. Now select the Messenger glance. The intro screens will provide some details on the app. Press the Start/Stop button to view the screens. On the final screen, you will see a QR code to download the Messenger app to your compatible smartphone. Use your smartphone's camera to scan the code and install the Garmin Messenger app. Once the app installs, open it. You will see a few introduction screens. Select Get Started to begin setup. Now select Continue to log in using your current Garmin account. Some customers may have two-step authentication set up. You will need to enter in a code to verify your login. Next, the app will need your mobile phone number to verify your account and to set up messaging with other Garmin Messenger users. Your smartphone should ask to autofill. If not, enter in your phone number and then agree to the terms and conditions. Select Next to proceed. You will receive a verification code message to confirm your mobile number. Your smartphone may offer to autofill. If not, enter the code. Now we need to enable permissions to allow notifications and contact access. This allows the app to sync any of your smartphone contact numbers that are on Garmin Messenger. Then agree on the phone permission prompts. You will see an App Setup Complete screen. Select Done to finish. The Messenger app will now begin searching for your watch. Select Add to Messenger to begin. The device tied to your Garmin account will be displayed. If you are not seeing your device, you can select Add Device to set up with the Garmin Messenger app. When ready, select the back arrow at the top. Here you will be able to access any of the settings for your Garmin Messenger account. Select the back arrow again to proceed. Next, the app will allow you to invite users or select users to message. You can use the app for these items, but we will show you how to send and view messages on the watch. From the watch face, press the down button to scroll through the glances. Select the Messenger glance. If you added the app to your activities list, open your activities to access it. Here, you can view your past messages to your Garmin Messenger contacts. Select a message to reply. Select New Message at the top to send a message. Here you can choose to send the message to an individual or a group of your contacts. Select Next. Here you can compose a message with the keyboard or select a check-in message to quickly send the message out. Next, you can edit the message. Once ready, select the green check mark to send. After sending a message, you can select the contact to view the message history. Lastly, we will talk about receiving messages. When you receive a message from the Messenger app, you will see a notification on the watch. Here, you can quickly reply to the message. And that's it. Your watch is now set up and ready to use with the Messenger app. To learn more about your product, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.